I live in the Netherlands and I haven't seen like any snow here in years. Maybe like 1 or 2 times a year, but then it's like one day. Like last year there was no snow at all, and all of a sudden this happened. So in this video I'm gonna take you guys with me on my snow adventures. I already had some adventures in general when the snowstorm was happening on Sunday and Monday. I literally walked from my mom's house to my boyfriend's house, and it's pretty far because there were no buses. I couldn't ride my bike. I don't have a car. I already took some pictures with my best friend Elena in the snow, and yeah, I hope I can go ice skating this weekend on like real ice in nature. Life is pretty good. I don't know what to say anymore. I just want to film. Okay, let's go. I can stand on the ice. Oh, I love this. I wish I had my ice skates. So, what does the Netherlands look like when the snowstorm hit us? And Saturday was the day the ice was thick enough to go ice skating. On Sunday morning, we basically had a private ice rink for ourselves. This was a perfect way to end a magical week full of snow and ice.